Well, what do we have today? Well, we've taken that stick that you may have seen before, that amazingly strong stick, and we've thrown an amazing product on it, our 24-volt Quattro. So we're going to talk a little bit about this, the different spacings from the standard to the HO output, what they're used for, when they're used, and why you should add this to your lineup for all your cabinet needs. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. The TruStick from France. Let's jump to the overhead, take a closer look. Let's take a little closer look at the TruStick LED light stick. This stick was designed with a couple things in mind. Number one, strength. So it's built on the iBeam extrusion. Then we coupled it with the brackets that go with that extrusion for maximum strength. And what I mean by that is you can go 10 feet long and have no sag whatsoever. So to couple it and get a great total solution, we put it with a 24-volt system. And this is our 24-volt Quattro. It's a fantastic module. It performs extremely well in deeper applications. And the lens set is literally designed to put the light deep and wide, so you can go from 10 inches deep to 20 inches deep on a double-sided sign cabinet or monument sign. And we do another configuration, our HO output, which, as you can tell, it just adds another module in the same space, and that takes you from 20 inches to 30 inches deep. It also gives you the same rail system that you had before, because it's on the iBeam, that allows you to add this clip. The clip can just snap over top of here, right, to wire manage that if you need to, or it can literally go over the module itself and snap it in. Once it's snapped in, it's not coming out, and it helps to hold that module in place. It works with most modules. It's a fantastic product. The other thing that everyone loves about it, of course, is the industrial brackets that go with it. You can just screw it right down, as so, and you're ready to rock and roll. The other great thing that everyone loves, I know I keep seeing other, but there's just so much to it. I'm gonna hit one more thing before I stop here, but you get it in 10-foot and 8-foot lengths. Why is that important? Because you can put this on your truck and you don't have to worry about having a bunch of different SKUs of different products. You can get a package of these and put them on your truck, and then you've got what you need to do a retrofit in the field in the moment. You cut it to the length that you need, you put it on the bracket, you wire it up, and you're done. This has a 5-year warranty with anybody else's power supply. It has a 7 and 7 with our power systems. So that is the TruStick. And until next time, sign on.